we're at work right now, and this room has such good lighting in it, Jesus. And there's cats everywhere. Every job we go to, there's another cat and another dog, and they're so cute. I love it. This cat's named Boo. 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 Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at that face. Green beans. Guys, I've been eating more vegetables in this whole week than I did the whole last year. No words for that. I'm not even gonna address that happened. But I know that this video is gonna get like 10,000 views now. Can't help, I gained 3 pounds. I was hungry. I wanted that candy bar.
I ate too much spaghetti.
Great. Guys, we just got all of my 10 guitars that the neighbor had for us when we got our floors done. We just packed them up in the van, and now they're hanging out for just a second. I'm playing a pear-shaped Giannini. It sounds super good. It's like Brazilian rosewood and like maybe spruce on top. I'm not sure if it's all rosewood or not, but it sounds super good. Mark my words, I'm gonna get this guitar one day. One day it's gonna be mine. And that one, but don't tell. Well, we got all the guitars back, and I was planning to do cardio today. It's only 6:25, pitch black outside. But we're going back to the neighbor's house, and we're gonna play with his birds. Birds, you say? Yes, there's a yellow one and a purple one. The purple one sucks, the yellow one's cool.
You better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you really?
Uh-huh.
Yes. Fine. I know that ear is killing me. It's like giving me goosebumps.
Oh, he's tickling your shit.
No.
You'd never believe what I'm doing right now. I'm babysitting birds. Look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Birdie. Hey, don't break my earring. What are you doing? No, no, no.
Watch him.
Do it.
Watch him.